Okay, so ladies, today right now, what we're gonna do, this is the creme brulee that we prepared earlier this morning. Now we're gonna do the brulee part of it. We're doing a basic culinary summer camp. We're showing the basics in food service. See how it's starting to go down? This is where we get to interact with our dish, not just eat it, we get to crack it. Like, there's nothing like cracking a little bit of sugar before you eat a silky custard. To me, it's amazing. I've been in the food service for a long time, and to actually come and teach kids and show kids what I've learned throughout my journey in culinary is a way of giving back. I have two little ones, and just being able to work with these young men and women is awesome, to show them what I've learned throughout my years, and to get people into the culinary world is what I'm about. I want them to be in food restaurants. I want them to be caterers, bakers, who knows, maybe even managers of a hotel or food and beverage restaurant.
It makes me feel really knowledgeable. I feel like I expanded a lot of my horizons on food, especially because chef taught me a lot of new French words that I didn't even know existed, and I didn't know their meaning. And now I can say that I know these certain things from culinary, and it's really fun.
The main reason I wanted to come to the summer camp was because for my future career, I want to be a pastry chef. The result of this camp, I have more of an interest and want to do more of pastry and different kinds of food.
So now that you've done creme brulee, did you all know what it was before? No? But just teaching these kids these few menu items can go a long way, and hopefully this encourages some of these young men and women to go into culinary school or to want to join our CTE program and maybe venture on to some sort of culinary program once they finish high school, like a CIA or a Johnson & Wales, or even just a culinary school here in El Paso. So that's my main focus, is to get these kids engaged with food.